I found these two fishing reels while I was trash picking, and neither of them work real well. As a matter of fact, they don't work at all, as you can see. So I've been fishing since I was about 6, both freshwater and saltwater, but mostly trout, freshwater. And I was a tackle rat, meaning I had lures, tackle boxes, fishing reels, everything. Anyway, so I found these. Neither of them work, but we're going to try and get this little one. It's an alpha. We're going to try and get that one to work today. I think I've discovered the problem. This piece here and the cog that you can see underneath it are part of the mechanism that make the shaft go up and down, and it's come misaligned. Here I'm pointing out the nub protrusion, whatever it is, and showing the cast, and you can see where that nub is supposed to slide up and down on that cast piece. And you place that cast piece in there, slide your shaft back in, and then screw it back down. So the whole problem with this fishing reel was that the nub and that slot that it was supposed to sit in had come apart, and therefore it would turn so far and then wouldn't turn anymore. But I think I fixed it now. Just make sure that when you do put the bail back on, you put it on correctly and get it spring loaded. This little reel is got a bit of wear and tear, but now it works fine.